languages. The first song is a local children's song, Current Line. Sing for us in Mandarin.
Current line.
Oh, really? Listen up, everyone. Today is Rocky's birthday. That's right. Oh my. You know, you're very lucky because Amigo is going to sing you a lovely song. Okay?